moving into the next slide. So let's start by asking the question, who is an agile tester? So what is so different for a tester in agile? So from a traditional software development methodology perspective, the expectation from a tester was pretty clear. He has the responsibility to ensure that the requirements, the software which is being developed is conforming to the requirement that has been set. And whenever there is a deviation, he usually triggers the process either in terms of a bug tracking or even a change request. So that was the case with the traditional software development methodology. Now, when you move into Agile, let's try to kind of understand what differs and what is that going to be slightly, or what is that going to be different. So before getting into that, I would wanted to take a minute to kind of explain what is a composition of Agile team looks like. So in an Agile team, you have people who is representing the business side. For example, your product owner is a good example for somebody who is representing the business side. So product owner try to understand excuse me, product owner try to understand what is important from a business perspective is, and he try to prioritize it so that from a customer team's perspective, he can add maximum value to the business. In the same way, there is a business side, or what I call it as a customer team. You also have the delivery side. For example, a programmer is a part of the delivery side. He understands the requirements and try to convert that into working software so that the software adds value to the business. Now the question is, we know there is people who represents the business side, and there are people who is representing the delivery side and who works together to add value to the business. Where does an agile tester falls into? So primarily, agile tester is a representative of the business, and one of his primary responsibility as an agile tester is to focus on the quality that the customer needs. And let me try to spend a minute to explain what I mean by focusing on the quality that the customer needs. One example that I can kind of quote, in our scenario, there was a tester who was very uncomfortable in releasing a feature into the production. One of the reasons was that the feature was consistently failing when there was concurrent users who is using that feature. But from a tester's perspective, that was a quality issue, and that basically needs to be addressed before the feature goes into the production. But when you talk to the customer, from a customer's perspective, one of the primary objectives for him was being able to demo this feature into the stakeholders so that he will be receiving funding for the project. He was least interested in terms of knowing how many concurrent users can use this functionality or a feature. So this is a slightly different understanding from what tester has, and the disconnect in terms of the tester understanding what is the value for customers has preventing him to add value from a customer's perspective. So for a tester, it is very important to understand and constantly involved in dialogue with the product owner as well as with the customer and understand what is value from a customer's perspective is. Then only a tester will be able to add value in an agile team. So he can do that in two ways. From an agile team perspective, there are two ways he adds those value. One, in terms of supporting the delivery side, the programmers, by helping them to get the feedback in a much faster manner. So this is what this is what's been called as supporting the team. At the same time, a tester can also contribute by critiquing the product and try to improve the value of the product, looking at the usability part of it, looking at the performance part of it. We will get into the details in the coming slides, but these are the two ways an agile tester can add value. He can look at the activities and the function which will help the team get the feedback much early. He can also look at critiquing the product so that the value of the product from a customer's perspective will increase. Now let's try to dive a little deeper into this